All right, fifth grade, we have word problems about comparing and elapsed time. All right, so you take the smaller and the larger, and you can find the difference. Example 1 says Mel is 6 years younger than his brother Cleon. Mel is 11 years old. How old is Cleon? So we know that Mel is 11 years old, and he is 6 years younger than his brother. So if he's 11, and that's 6 years younger than Cleon, so we could add 6 years to his age, and that should give us Cleon's age. So that would give us 17 years old for Cleon. All right, example 2, how many years were there from 1492 to 1620? So we can just find the difference here. 1492 and 1620. So you take the larger minus the smaller. There we go. And then you just do your subtraction. So we have to borrow over from the 2, that becomes a 1, that becomes 10, so 8. Borrow from the 6, that becomes a 5. This becomes an 11. So that gives us 2 here. And then 5 minus 4 is 1, 0. So 128 years. All right, one more example here. At a school day at Edison School begins at 8:10 a.m. The school day ends at 3:15 p.m. What is the length of a school day at Edison School? So 8:10 and 3:15. So how long is the school day in total? So the easiest way I like to think of this is you kind of add up the hours. Okay, so let's go from 8 until noon, because it goes till 12 o'clock, and then how many hours are between there? You have 9, 10, 11, 12. So that's 4 hours before noon. And then if you go up until 3 o'clock, how many hours after noon? 12, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you have 3 hours and 4 hours. So it gives us 7 hours. And then how many minutes? Well, from 10 to 15 is 5-minute difference. So 7 hours, 5 minutes. That's how long their school day is. 7 hours and 5 minutes. All right, here's what your lesson practice looks like. If you have any questions, ask me during math class. Your next test is soon. These are the lessons that your test is on. So if you want to pause this video, problems from these lessons will be on the test. So if you want to take a look at each of these lessons in your math book, that might be a good idea so that you know what types of problems will be there.